Genesis steps confidently into flagship sedan territory with the 2024 G90, but tempers true sportiness in favor of comfort. What kind of vehicle is the 2024 Genesis G90? Though it isn't perfect, the largest and priciest Genesis in the lineup provides a strong substitute for high-end luxury models. The Audi A8, Lexus LS, BMW 7 Series, Mercedes S-Class, and other vehicles are competitors of the G90. It's still a decent sedan. Even though its value has decreased somewhat, it receives a 6.8 out of 10 TCC rating. What's new for the 2024 Genesis G90? The 2024 G90 is largely unchanged from the previous model. A twin-turbo V6 engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive are standard on the G90. It has 375 horsepower in standard form and 409 horsepower when using a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Road scanning cameras enable the suspension system to adjust on the fly, and mildly hybrid versions include air suspension and rear-wheel steering. Even with sport mode turned on, it's not that sporty, but it is soothing and quiet. With its shield-shaped Genesis grille, LED accentuated lighting up front and back, and a slightly less elegant silhouette than the brand's smaller sedans, the G90 commands attention from onlookers. Inside, though, it's quite stylish, with a warm, inviting design and excellent workmanship. Warm welcomes are given by multifunction front seats with a large range of power adjustments, and back seats may be more comfortable if they have massagers. The G90 has minor flaws, such as an overly small trunk, but these are offset by the crystal-clear audio system and other opulent features. Another issue with the G90 is its low fuel efficiency of 21 mpg. On the other hand, the Genesis has excellent safety ratings thanks to a list of standard technologies that includes active lane control, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking. What is the price of the Genesis G90 in 2024? Spend a minimum of $90,000 on a base 3.5T model. This features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, a Bang & Olufsen sound, a panoramic roof, Nappa leather upholstery, a diffuser for scents inside the cabin, all-wheel drive, and a guarantee that leads the class. 2024 Genesis G90 styling. Its opposing lines and dynamism dominate the exterior, making it controversial. But we give the interior 2 points for a total of 7. The G90 has the same shield grille as the smaller G70 and G80 sedans, as well as unique headlights. The side profile of the G90 is confusing, although it does have some elegant lines. But the G90 just doesn't scale up as well as we would have thought, mostly because of its towering, awkward greenhouse and a tail that looks more Hyundai than Genesis. For what it's worth, Hyundai has some really beautiful tails, but the G90 deserves a more elegant, unified design. In the cabin, the G90 is more successful, despite having similar ambitions. Compared to the brand's smaller sedans, the arrangement is more horizontal and has sweeping touchscreens and digital displays against a backdrop of premium synthetic leather paired with wood and aluminum trim. The overall ergonomics and control arrangement have a well-considered logic that results in a gorgeous, sophisticated appearance and feel. 2024 Genesis G90 comfort and amp equality. Genesis uses top-notch design and materials to envelop the G90's cozy seats. The G90's large, brash footprint means that it has ample room for 4 adults, but the middle rear passenger and luggage receive less consideration. Nevertheless, the G90 receives an 8 for quality and comfort because of its excellent fit and finish, as well as its supportive front and outboard rear seats. With a 125.2-inch wheelbase that allows it to stretch 207.7 inches, the G90's interior space is maximized by Genesis, who designed a low dashboard that exudes an open and airy sensation, perfect for lounging in the 18. and 16-way power-adjustable driver and passenger seats. In sport mode, the bolsters and bottoms of the front seats automatically adjust, adding further security. The seats are also chilled. With its multitude of touchscreen inputs, power open door buttons, a rotary shifter that buzzes, and a separate touchpad on the steering wheel, the G90's control arrangement either dazzles or overwhelms, depending on your point of view. The back is less busy, with about 38 inches for both legroom and headroom. The upgraded version also gets power-adjustable, cooled, and massaging rear seats, with extra ambience from the cabin fragrance diffuser. It's an excellent place to recline on long trips, as long as you don't have a middle rear passenger or more than 12 cubic feet of cargo, shaved down to 10.6 cubic feet in the mild hybrid. In the trunk behind you, the Genesis G90 pulls it all together with fantastic attention to detail that holds its own with more expensive competitors, evident in the delicate speaker grilles, nappa leather seating, upholstered dash, and glass shifter. How safe is the G90? The NHTSA hasn't tested a G90, but the IIHS awards it with top good scores in 4 crash tests and a top safety pick plus classification. We rate the G90 an 8 because of its extensive selection of both standard and optional technologies: automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, active lane control, blind spot cameras and monitors, LED headlights, a head-up display, a surround view camera system, and a remote park assist system are among the features that Genesis outfits the G90 with. Long lengths of driving may be done hands-free, thanks to the sophisticated adaptive cruise control system. During our testing, it did not require steering input for over 2 minutes while traveling on an open highway before chiming and blinking to warn the driver to intervene. The automated lane change system isn't quite as sophisticated as those of Mercedes and BMW, though. 2024 Genesis G90 features. There are numerous features available for the Genesis G90. Genesis offers a ton of standard and extra options that fit the 2024 G90. We give it points there for having good infotainment and a warranty that is better than others in its class, totaling a 9 on our rating system. Which Genesis G90 should I purchase? With a starting price of $90,395 and all-wheel drive, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, nappa leather seating surfaces, heated and cooled front seats, heated rear outboard seats, a panoramic sunroof, wireless smartphone charging, an in-car fragrance diffuser, smartphone-based digital key service, and 20-inch wheels, the base G93 5T is a well-equipped vehicle. The 12.3-inch touchscreen, connected Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, navigation, and Bang & Amp Olufsen sound are all included in the G90's infotainment system. Genesis leads the class with a 5-year 60,000-mile warranty that includes a 3-year 36,000-mile scheduled maintenance plan and concierge service. The powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. How much is a fully loaded Genesis G90? Starting at roughly $100,000 is the G90 in the 3.5T ESC e-supercharger version. The premium Bang & AMP Olufsen sound, air suspension, rear wheel steering, power adjustable back seats with cooling and massage functions, extra wireless charging pad, mild hybrid technology, and 21-inch wheels are all added. In search of more? The cost of special paint colors is $1,500 for matte or $575 for metallic or pearl. Thanks for watching.